IAF plans to supply vaccines to remote areas of the country. The Indian Air Force transport planes will be supplying vaccines to remotest parts of India. That's the latest coming in. The Indian Air Force would also be using exclusive military airfields and advanced landing grounds for the transportation of the vaccine to the remotest parts of the country. Indigo has said it will supply vaccines via its carriers as well. So the vaccine is coming. Brace yourself, India. The vaccine is on its way. The IAF planes are going to be supplying vaccines even to the remotest areas of the country. So whether you're in the metropolitans or in the remotest areas of the country, there is no need to worry. The Indian Air Force has promised to supply vaccines to the remote parts of India. They are going to be using its exclusive military airfields, advanced landing grounds for supporting this particular vaccine to the remotest part of country. Even Indigo Airlines has jumped into the fray and saying that it will supply vaccine via its carriers. Milan is now joining us for the latest on this story. Milan, the vaccine is surely coming. India just needs to wait and watch for the vaccine to be delivered in every part of the country, not just the metropolitans. The IAF going on to deliver the vaccine to the remotest part of the country as well. Indigo jumping into the fray. We can perhaps expect many more airlines to exude this level of altruism, the way Indigo has also jumped into the fray after IAF made the statement.
Well, definitely, Chetty, these airlines as well will help deliver vaccines to the most crucial parts of a massive country like India. Remember that the government has already put in place a massive plan. The vaccines will be transported by air first to 4 such depot points that are across the country. One is in Karnal, in Chennai, in Kolkata, as well as to Mumbai. From there, they will be taken to 37 such state storage points. From there, they will be taken in refrigerated and insulated vans and in passive equipments to the places in the districts and the remote corners of the country. And that is the massive plan that is being created. Definitely, the aviation ministry is playing a very big role because the transport of these vaccines needs to happen quickly so that they are not wasted, which is why they will be transported first by air and then by road. And by road also, Chetty, what we are hearing is that special corridors will be created to take these vaccines from point A to point B so that there is no delay in placing the vaccines in cold storage places, although they are stored at 2 to 8 degrees. But crucially, these are vials of and silver bullets against the coronavirus that need to be preserved in a timely manner.